I received this oversized camp chair in exchange for my honest review. It comes in a really nice bag with a handle on it. And of course the string up here to tighten it or untighten it. I'm gonna pull it out and show you what it looks like. You can see it has the green and gray color. And for reference, I am 5'10", so I am pretty tall. And I fit in this really well. And it has these nice cup holder on this side. And then this side, I'll show you up close. It has a double zipper right here. So you just unzip this and unvelcro this piece. And it has a little cooler right here. So you can put things in here to keep them cool while you are chilling in your camp chair. And I'll show you up close the cup holder on this side. So really nice camp chair, and it's the larger size, so really comfortable, and I hope this review helps.